Coming in at number 4 on our list of ultralight aircraft that give you the biggest bang for your buck is the Aventura from Aero Adventure in Tavares, Florida. The Aventura was first introduced at Sun and Fun in 1995. It is a single-seat amphibious strut-braced high-wing tail-dragger ultralight aircraft in a pusher configuration. The Aventura uses bolt-together anodized aluminum tube and rivet together construction covered in pre-sewn Dacron sailcloth. The aluminum fuselage is mated to a center-mounted fiberglass hull. The Aventura Amphibian has a retractable main gear and tail wheel which allow it to land and take off from land or water on its center-mounted hull and two wingtip floats. Controls on the Aventura Amphibian are a standard 3-axis stick and rudder control with a center-mounted stick and left-hand throttle. Retract for the wheels is done by a retractable handle located on the right-hand side of the craft. The Aventura Amphibian is powered by the Rotax 447 or in the experimental category with the Rotax 503 or 582 through a 2.58 to 1 reduction drive. Cruise with the Rotax 447 is between 55 and 65 miles an hour, V&A 85 miles per hour, stall 27 miles per hour, climb rate comes in at between 800 and 1,000 feet per minute. As a Part 103 ultralight, the Aventura comes standard with a 5-gallon fuel tank, Lexan windshield, 2-blade prop, and instruments. Options include brakes, electric start, elevator trim, a 10 or 12-gallon fuel tank, streamlined struts, shoulder harnesses, and larger wheels and nickel-plated landing gear.